Hello and welcome to Morpheme Monday. This is Lesson 6. To review, morphemes are the building blocks of words. They're easier to learn a few morphemes than thousands of words. So learning morphemes will help you learn many, many, many more words. Remember, prefixes are parts of words, morphemes, that go at the beginning. Suffixes are parts of words, morphemes, that go at the end. And root words are morphemes that come in the middle of words that can have a prefix or suffix attached. Here's an example, the word morphology. Morpheme, the word morpheme right here, is a root word. It's the smallest unit of meaning. Ology is a suffix. It means the study of. Therefore, the word morphology means the study of the smallest units of meanings, and you are studying morphology. Here's the first morpheme for you today. It is a prefix. The prefix ir, means not. Irregular means it's not regular. Irresponsible means something is or someone is not responsible or not showing the proper responsibility. So again, the prefix ir, means not. It is attached to the beginning of roots or beginning of words. The second morpheme for you this week is the prefix pre. Pre means before. Predict means to say or estimate that a specific thing will happen in the future or will be a consequence of something. So predict is something you do before you read, like make a prediction. Precede means come before something in time, come before something in order or position. If you precede me in line, you are in line in front of me. Preschool, it's the time before school. Nursery school. Okay, another word for preschool might be pre-K. Pre-K means before kindergarten. Again, the prefix pre means before. The last morpheme for you this week is another prefix, post. Post means after. Post-war means after a war. Postpone means to cause or arrange for something to take place at a time later than when it was first scheduled. So some of you maybe had a basketball game and there was a snowstorm. Perhaps the basketball game was postponed until a later date. So again, the last morpheme for you this week is the prefix post, which means after. Now I want you to do a stop and jot to prepare for the morpheme work for this week. Take out 3 Post-its. Pause the video if you need to go find them. So 3 Post-its. Jot the morphemes pre, post, and at the top. So there'll be one Post-it with the morpheme pre. The second Post-it will have the morpheme post. The third Post-it will have the morpheme For each morpheme, write 2 more examples of the words that have this morpheme in them. They cannot be words that were used in this screencast. Bring this Post-it to class tomorrow. Or I should say, bring these Post-its to class tomorrow. If you need to, pause the video right now to do some work thinking of words that have the morpheme pre, post, or in them. Please do so. So remember that we're keeping track of these morphemes in our composition notebook or device. However you choose to keep track of them, please make sure that you have recorded these morphemes and their meanings in your journal. Ir, is a prefix that means not. Pre is a prefix that means before. And post is a prefix that means after. So remember, you are responsible for recording these morphemes and their meaning in your journal, your composition notebook, or a device, and where you're keeping track of these. And you are also responsible for bringing 3 Post-its with these morphemes on them and 2 words for each morpheme. All right, best of luck to you as you continue your study in morphology.